Hello students, today we are going to learn history lesson number 6 Janpadas and Mahajanpadas. If we observe the map, there are 16 Mahajanpadas in 6th century BC. So you having one activity, observe this map and write the names of the 16 Mahajanpadas in the proper places on an outline map of India. So students, today we are going to learn points Janpadas, Mahajanpadas and rise of the Magadha Empire. So first point Janpadas. The period from about 1000 BC to 600 BC is considered to be the post-Vedic period. It is in this period that the Janpadas came into existence. Means in post-Vedic period, the Janpadas came into existence. Janpadas were the many small states that spread from today's Afghanistan, which is to the northwest of the Indian subcontinent, to Bengal and Odisha in the east and to Maharashtra in the south. So these Janpadas means the small states and that spread from today's Afghanistan, which is to the northwest of the Indian subcontinent, to Bengal and Odisha in the east and to Maharashtra in the south. The Janpada called Ashmak occupied a part of today's Maharashtra. Janpadas is nothing but Ashmak and it is occupied a part of today's Maharashtra. The names of these Janpadas can be found in Sanskrit, Pali and Ardha-Magadhi literature. And these names were found in Sanskrit. Pali is also a type of language and Ardha-Magadhi literature. One can also find information about them in the writings of Greek historians, and some of the Janpadas were monarchies while others were republics. So some Janpadas were monarchies and others were that is republics. Some Janpadas had a Gana Parishad of senior citizens. Members of the Jan Parishad came together for discussion and made decisions regarding administrative issues. The place where these discussions took place was known as the Santagar. Gautam Buddha hailed from the Shaka Republic. Every Janpada had its own coinage. So some Janpadas had a Gan Parishad of senior citizen. Members of Gan Parishad came together for discussion and made decisions regarding administrative issue. Gautam Buddha hailed from the Shaka Republic. Every Janpadas had its own coinage. Students, now we will see the Mahajanpadas. We already knew about Mahajanpadas. Some Janpadas gradually become stronger and expanded their geographical boundaries. Such 16 Janpadas came to be known as Mahajanpadas. These 16 Janpadas came to be known as Mahajanpadas. And some Mahajanpadas had monarchy, Kosla, Avanti and Magadha were important Mahajanpadas. These were the Vatsa, Kosla, Vatsa, Avanti and Magadha. These are some important Mahajanpadas. So we are going to take information one by one of Kosla. The Kosla Mahajanpada was located in the foothills of the Himalaya in the region of Uttar Pradesh and Nepal. This is the location of Kosla. Next, the famous cities of Kosla were Sharvasti, Kushavati and Saket. Shravasti was the capital of Kosla. Gautam Buddha had lived in the famous Vihara Jetwan at Sharvasti for a long time. The Kosla king Prasenjit was a contemporary of the Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. Later, the state of Kosla merged with Magdha. So, this is the information about Mahajanpada Kosla. Next, Mahajanpada Vatsa. The Mahajanpada Vatsa was located in the region around Prayag, that is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This is the location of Vatsa, that is in the region around Prayag, and that is Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. Kausam, the capital of Vatsa, was the ancient city of Kaustambi. It was an important center of for trade. Three extremely rich merchants of Kaushambi had built the three viharas for Gautam Buddha and his followers. How many? 3. King Udayana was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha. After King Udayana, the state of Vats could not maintain its independent existence for long. The king of Avanti, Mahajanpadas, conquered the state. Now we will study about Mahajanpada Avanti. The ancient kingdom of Avanti was located in the Malwa region of Madhya Pradesh. Ujjaini means Ujjain was its capital. Ujjain was the capital of Avanti. It was also important Mahajanpadas. The city was an important trade center. It was a center for trade. It was an important trade center. The king of Avanti, Pradayat, was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. During the reign of King Nandivardhan, the state of Avanti was merged into the Magadha Empire. Now we will study about Magadha Mahajanpadas. It is also important Mahajanpadas. The ancient Mahajanpadas of Magadha was spread through the regions of Gaya, Patna in Bihar and some regions in Bengal. The capital of Magadha was Rajgriha, is Rajgir. King Bimbisara's palace was built by the architect Mahagovind. And Bimbisara's place was built by the architect Mahagovind. He was a great architect. Jivaka, the famous physician, was at the court of Bimbisara. Jivaka was a great physician and he was at the court of Bimbisara. Bimbisara had become a follower of Gautam Buddha and he was the follower of Gautam Buddha.